Hey there, health warriors. Are you ready to revolutionize your diet and power up with protein? You're in the right place because today, we're unveiling 5 game-changing strategies to supercharge your protein intake. Protein isn't just a nutrient, it's the building block of life, keeping our muscles strong and our cells buzzing with energy. So let's dive into how you can pack more of this powerhouse into your meals. Tip number 1, make protein the VIP guest at every meal. Whether it's a splash of milk, a slice of meat, or a handful of nuts, these protein pals are ready to join your food fiesta. Moving on to tip 2, embrace the legume league. Chickpeas, kidney beans, and their bean buddies are not just for vegetarians. They're for anyone looking to level up their protein game. Snack attack? Make it a protein-packed punch. Tip 3 is all about snacking smart. Roasted nuts, apple slices with a dollop of peanut butter, delicious and nutritious. Thirsty for more? Tip 4 is a tasty treat, protein shakes. Blend up some peanut butter, milk, dates, bananas, and seeds for a smoothie that's smooth on taste and rich in protein. Upsize your portions, but do it mindfully. A little extra on your plate means more protein and keeps those hunger pangs at bay. These tips aren't just tasty talk, they're backed by the pros at Medical News Today. But remember, folks, always chat with a certified dietitian before making any big changes to your diet. There you have it, 5 fabulous ways to fuel up with protein. Try them out, and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks. Until next time, keep thriving.